Website number one, you copy these articles or text. You're gonna go to website number two where you're gonna post this article and you're gonna make $100. Or website number three, you're gonna post these articles and you're gonna make $100. Or website number three where you're gonna post these articles and you're gonna make $75 or $150. Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid $150 every single day over and over again by copy and paste these articles or text. And bonus point of this video is you don't have to even write any articles. This AI I'm going to show you gonna write an article for you. You just copy and paste it and you're gonna make money. Also, if you watch the video until the end, I'm gonna show you a bonus website where you can build a profile around your writing and you can make a passive income from it. So watch the video until the end, guys. If you're really interested in watching video like this one, make money online, money saving tutorials, show your support by subscribing to my YouTube channels, like this video so other people can learn from it and they can make money online, guys. These are the websites gonna pay you money for writing articles or copy and paste articles. The number one website is called Listverse, where you can find the top 10 related topics on any category that you can see: science, technologies, entertainment and other things. So all you have to do is join with this website and you're gonna copy and paste these articles and you can make money from it. You can make up to $100 per articles and you get paid through PayPal. All you have to do is come up with a list and send it to them and they will review it. If they approve, you get paid automatically $100 to your PayPal account every single day. Similar to this one, this website is called Healthy Living Magazines, and this website is on health, beauty, lifestyle. So if you write an articles on that topic, submit to them and you get paid for that. Number three is called makealivingwriting.com. It's a website that you can see you can write a topic on blogging, breaking in, copywriting, edit and ads, ghostwriting. There's a lots of other categories are there. All you have to do is write an articles for them and you get paid every single day between $75 to $150. The fourth website, which is the bonus website, we can post article like YouTube videos and you can get paid passive income. So for that, watch the video until the end, guys. Now if you want to write an articles on a certain topic, all you have to do is you need this AI. This AI is called jarvis.ai. You're gonna write your articles just like that in a couple of minutes and you copy and paste it and you're gonna make money. I'm gonna show you in a proof how I do that and how I make money from it. First, what I did is I went into Google and I want to write an articles on top 10 haunted houses in the world. That you can see this kind of videos, this kind of topic and articles are trending on this website. And you can see top 10 famous people, top 10 haunted houses, top 10 horror houses, something like that, right? So what I did, I just go to Google and type that. There's a bunch of articles. You can see top 10, top 20, top 43, something like that. These are the websites they write about haunted houses. You don't have to rewrite anything. Just open it and you're gonna make a list because you're gonna write a top 10 list, right? So what you have to do is you're gonna make a list. So open a Word document or Grammarly if you have one, because it's make your writing much better. So what I did is put the title top 10 haunted houses in the world 1 to 10. These are the list I want to cover, because for this AI you need to give a command or you need to give input to write an article on your specific topic. Otherwise it will write random articles, guys. So after you write in a list, all you have to do is copy that and put it on here. You can see this is the title, and again I repeat the title and 1 to 10 list here. Then you can see it will give a basic introduction to me. This is number 1 list, number 2 and number 3. So after you copy and paste every command on the left hand side, what you do, you click this one called here, put the keywords and select large long of articles and click compose. Like that, you can see it will automatically writing an articles on the list that you already provide. Number 4 here, and you can see the number 4 is the same thing. So you will write a continuously. It will stop for a while, so you can continue to write. If you don't want, just click compose and it will continuously write for you guys. This is a much amazing tool, little bit investment, but you can make you passive income every single day. So like I said, I am using this tool. So this is my account. I can show you that. Login that I have a paid subscription with them. It's called a boss plan, but you don't have to get that. So you can see, if I go to my dashboard and you can see my statistic, these are the words of articles I just generated in August. That you can see I just copy and paste this article in the following website and I am making money from it. There's a link in the description, which is the first link, where you can get 5-day free trial with 10,000 credit. So which means you can generate articles up to 10,000 words. So there's a link in the description. Check it out and do it for get that 5-day free trial. Try it yourself. If you interest, upgrade it. Otherwise, don't spend any money, guys. So just join your free trial. Now what you have to do is, once your articles is ready, just read through the article, check the grammar, check the punctuation, and copy that and paste it on the website, like this one, Listverse, or this one is called Healthy Living, on health niche related articles, and third one is on make living writing. This is the one, and the fourth one is my amazing website, is called medium.com, guys, because it's similar to the YouTube for the articles, and you get paid every single day for posting article. All you have to do, go to Medium and join Medium Partner Program, and it will take you to this page. What happened is, you set it up a payment method and everything. You can post continuous article on there. When the people read these articles, according to how much time they spend your articles, you get paid for that. Right now I posted 2 articles. I didn't get that much view. Again, it won't work with 1 or 2 articles. You need to post article every single day, and automatically when people started to read these articles, you get paid every single day, and you can withdraw that money using PayPal account, guys. All you have to do is go to Medium, create your free account, then join with Medium Partner Program. After you join with the Medium Partner Program, click write story. It will open this page. All you have to do is go to your AI and click and copy this and go to your Medium, and this is the page, and you're going to copy and paste it on here. You can do affiliate marketing, you can do lots of other stuff with this Medium. Again, what you have to do, copy and paste these articles and click publish, like that, guys, and you can make money from it. Again, remember this, you can make money from lots of other way. So if you generate these articles, you copy and paste it to a website like these ones, because if you send this article to 10 website, if 2 website upload, you make $200, guys. And on top of that, if you post the same articles on Medium, you make a passive income every single month when this article get views, guys. So think about it. There's a 5-day free trial for jarvis.ai, link in the description. Get that AI and play around it, generate article, post in this website, and see what happens, guys. Again, you need to put work in order to get paid. So work hard and hustle hard, and again, won't work with 1 articles. You need to do with multiple different website and multiple different article, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask me that. I will answer the question. Also in the comment section, write me that what kind of video you want to make in the future. I will do that for you guys. And with that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.